In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task list in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're new to Smartsheet, you'll be able to follow along and set up a simple, clear task list by the end of this video. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, look for the navigation panel. In that panel, click on Browse. This is where you can view your workspaces, folders, and existing sheets. Think of Browse as your main file explorer inside Smartsheet. Once you're in the Browse section, take a moment to look through the workspaces or folders you have access to. From here, you need to select a sheet where you want your new task list to live. This could be a project workspace or a team folder, depending on how your organization is set up. Click on the sheet or location that makes the most sense for the project you're managing. After you've found the right spot, go ahead and click on it to open it. This confirms that you're working in the correct place and helps keep your task lists organized. It's a good habit to double check this, especially if you collaborate with multiple teams or manage several projects at once. With the correct area open, look for the Create option. This is usually located near the top or in a prominent toolbar. Click on Create to open the menu of different items you can add. Smartsheet offers various templates and options, but in this case, we're interested in building a task-focused structure. From the Create menu, select Task List. This tells Smartsheet you want to create a new sheet that's specifically formatted for tasks. The Task List option gives you a simple layout with columns for things like task names, due dates, expiry dates, and status, which is perfect for tracking work. Once your new task list sheet opens, you're ready to start adding your tasks. Click into the first row under the task name column and type in the name of your task. Use clear, specific names so anyone viewing the sheet can immediately understand what needs to be done. For example,